Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will show you best lead scraping tools for your online business. Now, first tool on this list is called Find That Lead. Now, as you can see, this is a great lead scraper tool for your agency or maybe for your business. If you want to basically go and reach thousands of customers every single month, this is a tool for you. Now, as you can see, they are really easy. As you can see, you can filter by location, job title, industry, company size. So let's say you want to work with someone from United States, you want to work with a CEO in the marketing and advertising industry, right? With the company size like this, right? You can go and you can basically find those type of people and those type of leads for yourself. You can download the extension and then you can pretty much send cold emails and get replies to acquire new customers, right? This is basically how it works and how it looks like. They have a whole basically built-in system for this. And as you can see, if we go to pricing, we can see that the pricing for this is $50 a month, and then you have startup, which is $150 a month. I think this is pretty good if you want to invest, because again, if you find just one client who will pay you $1,000, then $150 won't mean that much, right, to you. So that's the first lead scraper tool on this list. The second lead scraper tool on this list is Scrapeit, right? Now, as you can see, Scrapeit is great if you want to basically use web data as a winning key. As you can see, if you want to maybe scrape from e-commerce and retail, housing and real estate, right, sales and marketing, you have lead generation and market research, searching for addresses, phone numbers, emails, other information. You can get that through Scrapeit, right? As you can see, you have solutions for e-commerce, for real estate, financial data, sales leads, a lot of different things, right? As you can see, also popular sites that are using Scrapeit already. If you go to pricing, we can see that the pricing for Scrapeit is currently a lot, right? As you can see, 449 euros per source, right? As you can see, providing a sample data set for compliance assessment, free project assessment, and then you have 249 euros per source per month, right? Regular custom data delivery, periodic data refresh, and stuff like that. So basically, this is for more advanced people and for more advanced businesses, but it's still a great tool for lead scraping. Now let's go to the third tool, which is Expendi.io. Now this is great if you want to scrape and if you want to find leads through LinkedIn. Now this is how to automate LinkedIn scraping, right? As you can see, it's featured in 100 plus publications, right? So this is great if you want to, if you're an agency or maybe a startup or maybe a freelancer, right? This is great if you want to find basically a someone or lead on LinkedIn, right? And if you don't want to get banned, as you can see, you will not get banned because you're using Expendi, right? So here are some of the features. You have LinkedIn outreach, smart sequences, image and GIF personalization, which is great. You also have email outreach as well, which is great, right? But this tool just focuses on LinkedIn. If we go to pricing, we can see that the pricing for this tool is currently $100 per seat per month. And as you can see, this is everything that you get within the lead scraping tool that is Expendi.io. So you get a lot of different things like LinkedIn outreach, email outreach, manage multiple accounts, unlimited number of campaigns, stuff like that. You get that through basically Expendi.io. So that is number 3 on this list. Number 4 is Phantom Booster. Now Phantom Booster is great if you want to basically go and generate leads from all major networks and websites. So let's say you want to generate leads from and find leads from Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, Facebook. You can do that through Phantom Booster, right? Now, as you can see, you have a lot of different things that you can do. You can extract lists of leads, enrich data and emails. You can send outreach campaigns as well, which is pretty awesome. As you can see, here are some of the tools, just some of the tools that a Phantom Booster has. Flows, integrations, right? So you can get a lot with Phantom Booster. And if you go to pricing, we can see that Phantom Booster actually has a free trial. But free trial, you won't get much done with free trial, so you will need to go with a starter or pro or team if you are a mid to big size business. That's basically what Phantom Buster is all about. Now the last on this list is called Octoparse. Now Octoparse is great if you want to extract web data in 3 steps, right? You have step 1, you enter the website URL you'd like to extract data from. Then you have step 2, which is click on the target data to extract. And then you have step 3, you run the extraction and you get the data, and you can basically export it via a CSV file, which is pretty awesome, right? So it's easy to use. You can download results, right? It has schedule scraping as well, cloud services as well, and it has a lot of different things that you can do. As you can see, this is basically how scraping works with Octoparse, right? So if you go to Octoparse, we can see that the pricing for Octoparse is free currently for a free plan, which has up to 10 tasks. But if you want more tasks, right, then you will need to pay for $89 a month. And professional plan is for medium-sized businesses or for startups, which is $250 a month. So that's basically top 4, I would say, yeah, top 5 actually, best lead scraping tools for your business. If you have any questions or maybe comments, comment down below, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.